morning, everybody, and welcome back to the channel. We are back on the Lexus sc400 rebuild. I'm headed over to a friend's house now to use his JD squared bender and bend up a core support. Starting to look like a bend. Wrong, right. Right on the tip. Tighten it a little.
It's kind of supposed to.
Oh!
And then it goes in here.
Oh!
Because if you put it.
Good things. Borrow this bender and blow it into shreds.
Standard wrap. Yeah, that's pretty close.
Like, how's the theory looking? What's the outside of that pipe? Oh, right. 5.25. I keep going. Dude, thank you.
That is badass.
Looks like we got a core support. Shout out to my homie over here at CG Customs helping me bend this up. How's it look? Pull it out.
That's actually pretty hard, bro.
That'll work, right?
Yeah. This is sick.
Way better than V1. Where's V1? V1's garbage. There's absolutely no comparison to how crappy this is. Look at that. Perfect fitment. The core support fits nice and snug between the frame rails that we reinforced. And the question is, we don't know exactly how far forward we want to have everything. So right now we're setting up to get the front bumper off so we can take measurements of where the core support needs to be. 31 between the frame rails, at least 30 inches wide. 7 3/4 drop. Right now, we have about 11 inches of drop. 3 inches have to come off the tube right now. What I wanted. And I would be okay buzzing this in right about here. We just probably want to try to keep it out of the way of the bolt hole for this. I'm gonna drill these side holes in so we know where to center it off of. Ah, I know what I'm missing here. All right, guys, we're gonna tack weld this bar on. Then we're gonna mock the radiator up and see how far back we need brackets. Then we're gonna go ahead and make some brackets. 4 inches, don't move it. 3 inches to hole. 4 inches to the edge. Okay. Nice. One more time. We got some radiator brackets made out of some square tubing. Kind of solid mounting it instead of doing the rubber insert. It's mounted to this solid core. So everything's tack welded right now. Nothing's final welded. But the radiator's chilling in there on its own weight. We're gonna lower down the hood and make sure the hood shuts. The hood does close, but I can definitely tell it's sitting on the radiator over on this end tank right here. So we're gonna go ahead and cut these tack welds down here and rotate the lower brackets down. And if we can buy about 1/2 inch, I'll feel better about the radiator not contacting the hood. We might be a little close to that side of the frame over this one. Before the hood was resting on this up here. So now we got a little gap. I'm happy with that. We're gonna buzz it all the way up, and then we're gonna take a drill bit and just hog the holes a little sideways to give us that smidge 16th inch we want to go that way.
That's solid, bro.
Yeah, that's That's solid.
This shit ain't going nowhere.
This is final, and I welded all the way down the side. So it's tied in. This is not going anywhere, ever. The next time this breaks, this car's going in the junkyard. Just got the lower core support and the lower radiator brackets fully welded in, and they're looking great. I mean, the welds could be better, but not bad. Seriously, not bad considering I don't weld anymore. Next up, we're gonna put the radiator in and the sc400 bumper that Steven got off.
Took me 2 days. To all those haters that said I wouldn't be nothing when I grow up, look at me now, still ain't nothing.
Here's the first mock-up. There's very few things supporting the bumper. So I'm super stoked with how this is coming out. Straightening the frame was a lot. Super glad we could get these levels of progress made. They just helped me in my head to progress to the next stage. We're gonna get all cleaned up and organized so that tomorrow we can come back and get a fresh start. Anyway, that's all for today's video, guys. Super stoked we were able to mock up the front end and actually get a sense of accomplishment, like we're heading in the direction of finishing this car. So, that's it. Is he looking at me? This motherfucker looking at me?